Divorced men and women of Reddit, what was the final straw? My divorce was death by 1,000 paper cuts. The final straw was something a little different. I wanted to go to my local micro center and browse the afternoon away. She decided to go with me and sit in the car. As I'm wandering at the glory that is tech, I'm in the BIOP department looking at a motherboard. This couple in their 20s walks up to the CPU case and the guy lays down this nerd stream about the latest AMD processor. She's listening, lets him finish his overview of thread counts and proceeds to bust his balls about it. But it was so sweet. So caring. It was the cutest thing I'd ever seen. She didn't understand, but she loved him. And loved what a giant dork he was. It was in that moment I realized that I would never have that with the person I'm with, and even if I could find a way to get there with her, I don't want it. I had struggled for a few years with all the excuses of not getting out. Oddly enough, that exchange between strangers was what did it for me.